screen, people. I'm just confirming whether my mic is working. Working like it. Okay. Things looking good. Plus that. Fine. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you or thank you? Yes. The other thing. And go over to. Oh, that's it. Okay. No problem. No problem. That's like it. Let's now focus on the AI stupidity. If I can listen to him song. Traditionally, this is what I would do. I do have Olama Gamma 3D running in another PC, so all I need to do is just focus on this, try to use it. I think this is the one I'm doing, so it is fine. There is another, right? Let's start now. Let's try Python. I like that AI. This is the same thing. No module called OpenAI. I thought maybe just I'm going to ignore this. To use local internal Wi-Fi listed. So, Llama, Gamma, 3D. Yeah. This is the one which has sliding window and all kind of things. Because maybe. I think this is not the right one. I think this is the one. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so with Python, we can start. Using Python. Python AI.py. I'm not sure if the other PC is going down or not. Golang. Where is it? It's in my. Oh, it's in my IP. Oh no. Okay. This could have been up by now. First, you now. The page not found. How do you not get page? Here is the one. Page not found. Page not found. And post now. What is the model for this Golang model? Gamma 3. Gamma 3. Actually, for you. Okay. Alright. Alright. It could be installed. I don't know. Yeah, this one's fine. Okay. I actually raise the body. Payload body and input is form. You are analyzing a segment of the user video, determine if the segment contains any message, whatever, or also thing out necessary. Let's just put to the UI and see what it does. I can zoom out myself. Now it's probably incorrect. What would happen if I install it in my thing? I don't want it. Practice obviously I'll be using my Linux PC, but after that, my ultimate plan is to use this. Yeah, that is really nice. Good. Okay. I'll not be installing that as of now. We will see. For practice, this setup is can be fine. Yeah. sliding into the time, which is going to get highlight result. Then it's going to go straight to start and then text. Hey, we are okay. There you go. Whether to even give a smaller video for this, taking 2 minutes. Else I can use this. Right now, let's do that. So not for next time. From main.py import to result. In each result, we have file.segments. I think that will take time. Yeah, so I just transfer it time. I think these are the only things I have. Put from model gamma for B input. So instead of input, I will say prompt, okay, and then I think I don't need this code as well. It has each segment. Yeah, we didn't import it. Okay, let's not import this. Don't use the whisper as of now. Who is using whisper? Everything is removed. Transcribe.py. I'm using a transcribe. Point. Okay, probably this might be another reason. Maybe. Okay, this kind of is better. Second 404 page not found. This is API, this is the body. Post method JSON.payload. This is exactly what yeah, I have a statement here. loaded segments. Let's see what is the It is the postman. So this URL using post and body of this. I get okay. Posting wrong URL. That's not wrong URL. Right? Oh no, 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 no. Hey Siddharth, why did I hear? Why did I? Oh, you're saying put command. Sorry, see, that's the reason. Each command is important. Without speak, I would have not even looked at the chat. I found a silly mistake in my code, and my URL is wrong. Anyway, welcome. Oh, you're calling me Koteshwar? Thank you. Your voice is not coming properly. Probably due to the.
Oh, mic check. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the kiss. So I've specifically picked that so that you guys can have some tingly feeling, because when I heard that sound, it was something. Thanks. From anyway, good morning, weekend. Oh, that's something. It's didn't even page not found. Probably let us copy paste the URL itself. I don't want to make mistakes. There is some change in the URL, so error cannot unmarshal string into Go struct fit. Wow. Is it written in Go? The Olama stuff? It's calls. Oh yeah. Oh, it should be. Yeah, I got it. It should be false. Okay. Oh, but by the way, I wanted to ask you something. You don't really. Why don't you directly scrape the transcript from YouTube? You will skip the whole whisper part. It at max it takes like 10 minutes, and again I will be sleeping while this is running, so I don't really. Whisper part is not really my top priority. Yes, that's a good point. I will be definitely using that for optimizing, but the main part is this AI. If this is done, I can do all kind of janky things. I could have done. I did this. Oh, it's fine. Let's work on the main fundamental thing first, the engine. Then we can determine to add power windows, heated seats. I got some response. I don't know what it is. There's something. Where is this error coming from? Line for. I'm getting a few messages. Just a second. Just a second. Looks like something is important. Okay, I have a little small work. I need my laptop. If not my laptop, I can do it from my PC as well. No problem. So what's up, Siddhan? What are your plans today? I'll have your chat in this way. Go to small work. Okay. We can actually build this same app as a hobby project. I mean, the one which I'm building, is this the one you're trying? I don't think this can be that better than the competitors, but the main motivation is my plan for today. Yeah, I'm supposed to send some money to someone. I forgot to do it. Doing it now. I logged in. Send me to. So someone gave me money. So they are from US. So they used my account. They transferred to my account. Now they just want me to send back to their relatives account. This is not my money. It's just there is a health emergency. They just helping a friend. That's it. Normally I would do these things after the stream, but as this is important, I'm just doing it now. What could be the other optimizations you could have think for? So first, these are the main priorities. Whisper is not really a priority. Let us here or here. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for the like, whoever did it. Hey Siddharth, did you like my stream? Again, it's up to you. Oh, looks like you didn't do it and you're doing it now. No worries. No worries. Something is better than nothing. So yeah, the work is done. Let's get back. Yeah, no problem, no problem. I'm becoming so fat. Okay. So what could be this error? 114, 114, 114. Where is it? 114 right here. Okay. Probably this didn't really have a valid JSON response equals JSON. Oh, I might need to convert it. Okay, let me load it to this one. I'm too lazy. I'm too lazy. No, 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 no. Na, 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 na. Rob JSON. Okay, this is what they want me to do now. Okay, okay. I don't know if I have any changes here, so I might just do it. Hey, let's hope this won't crash. Segments are loaded. By the time this happens, I should be seeing at least one response. But I don't see any response, not even any error. So fingers crossed. JSON expecting delim. What? Delimited line 4. Something is wrong. Man, yesterday you were saying something about LangChain. Do you think this could solve any data transfer issues? It's taking a lot of time to set these things. Probably JSON errors. Why do I need JSON errors anyways? Response with highlight. Why do I need 2 brackets instead of 1? Print response of text. Oh, I think I can. Okay. No, that's not possible. Response underscore data. Let me manually see what is the data we are getting for. Then is it still running? No. That shouldn't be executed right now. Okay. CLS. Probably this is needed. So this is the first segment. I got some response. Hey, if something is running, I don't really see any errors so far. It's still doing something. Still running. So far, no errors. There is an error at the some point. So what it's trying to do? So I have no idea. Me too. So probably it's doing something. This is the reason. Let me copy paste this. Are there tokens or something? So context. I don't. Do I need context for this? This is the entire event duration and everything. Done reason stop. Why did done reason stop? Does it mean anything? Oh, it's okay. Okay, done true then stop. So this is the response which is really needed, and it seems fine. I don't know why it's. Sure. So this is the raw JSON. I think it's just printing the entire thing, but it's only taking the raw JSON. Yep. I was just trying to see what the error is. Right here, this is trying to load the entire raw JSON. Let me also load raw JSON. Print raw JSON. Yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, so I don't need this much. Okay, what? So this one is failed. Cleaned raw JSON. After cleaning, the error here. This is exactly the same. Oh yeah, we talked about this. I tried to install the LangChain manually, I guess, but yeah, it's weekend for me as well. Just I wanted to say it's weekend for me. I'm going to stream for a little longer, so no worries. I have to finish this project. I'm so eager, excited to see how this would turn out to be. If it could save me some time, I'll be happy. I can train myself. I can improve better prompts, and I can fix it. But I just wanted to, at least trim out the empty sections of the video. Build LLM with a prompt template. I forgot how did I install this. Tutorials. This is exactly what I did. LangChain I don't know. Any idea how to use this for? I'm still curious. What is the error here? Line invalid control character at line 4. Is this the line 4? Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. The same thing. Let me copy paste these and see what are the differences. I don't see any difference at all. I don't want the reason. Let's just do this. I don't want the reason. Okay, that should save some time. W string. Show my face. It takes a second. Thanks. Man, I don't know how you guys are feeling it, but wearing a headset, it's like someone is really kissing right next to my earphone. Hey, welcome to the stream, media. Celebrate. Yeah, yesterday I wasn't really streaming, but I was also sitting next to my PC anyways. I did some modifications. I added some controls which you guys can do. So I even forgot what were those. So now this is what happens. I just manually gave you some controls. If you type exclamation, I forgot what were those. 1 second. I did it yesterday. I need to note these things down. Why is it not letting me? Okay, close these things. I just hate Streamlabs by begging me to update it. I don't want to update. So yeah, try Spider-Man. Guys, can someone try? I said guys, but it took it as the other thing. Oh, Frog, you can try it now. It will work fine. Can you try Spider-Man? No, it's exclamation Spider-Man. It's not a face filter, as people are not really using much of a face filters. I might need to remove this. What is this called? I might need to put some security where it looks like there is a bug once. Why was the kiss thing is popping up? Let me see. Yeah, can someone try the Spider-Man again? Yeah, I was trying to do some weird. Oh yeah, my bad. It should be. Yeah, 1 second, guys. It should be fixed now. Yeah, my bad. It's a simple mistake. So this is the thing. I don't have to change my code now in order to make changes to this. You guys saw the magic? This is what I built. These are what I'm good at. Of course, I'm not good at selecting GIFs, selecting audios, but I'm developing applications in certain things so that I don't really have to modify code. I'm just changing the UI of this application and it would work fine. Now try it. Please. Please. Stream is lagging. I don't think so. My internet is still the same. Probably I might. No, so I know that's not that. See, sorry, that's not what I exactly wanted. I don't want Spider-Man hanging in my stream, but I felt it's interesting, and this is just an introduction. I can dynamically add commands now, and my application would work fine. I know Spider-Man is not really used in my stream. There is no way you guys can use it, but imagine the possibility. I can add any command now dynamically without touching my program. I was thinking yesterday, I was just listening to songs. I didn't want it to stream, but my mind would obviously work, think about the stuff I wanted to do. So you made a dashboard or what? Well, I made a Mongo database, and whenever I change Mongo database, it's going to trigger an API call to my backend, which doesn't do anything. It would just, so whatever the Mongo commands I have inside my backend, which are cached, so that I don't have to hit the Mongo database all the time, it's cached. It's inside the Golang variable. So whenever I make a modifications in the MongoDB, and it would know like, okay, DB database is updated, it's going to pull the new database again and cache it until I make any further changes. Why did I go with a UI? It would take me 2 days to build the UI. Obviously, it wouldn't look that bad, that good anyways. But why do I need to do it? I just need to, this is not a commercial product. I just need something which can be changed without me writing some scripts and Git pushing it and then Git stashing my backend and then pulling it, then turning it to an executable, then restarting my server. That to write in middle when I'm in a stream. What happened to my? Okay. Imagine, I think this is really cool. I can just build a command right now, and you guys will be able to use it the minute I just turned it on. So there are other commands as well. Let me see. I might need to note down these few things. This has happened to me before. I kind of forget what commands I have. So I can now manually, I mean, dynamically, sorry, not manually, dynamically add new commands like the slash commands. If I want to add Discord, I can just type here Discord and it would work fine. And this was done yesterday. I don't know about you. I'm proud of myself. Just like you should also be. Not overconfident or proud. It's just I feel happy, like satisfied that okay, this thing is smart. I did whatever I wanted without a UI or a React application, which is also running in the backend. That's a traditional approach. Oh, thank you. Thanks. I'm looking for my water bottle. I don't have any. So, hey Siddhant, I'm sure you might be enjoying my stream anyways. Just what do you think about my streams? Oh, yes, right. Yeah, that's the thing. That's about the live stream. I'm not really pretending or doing it. This is just me. So, what do you think about my live stream? Do you think people will be interested? Of course, out of 10, not all are going to be interested. But some are similar mindset. For some reason, I always try to avoid front ends for projects of my application sorts. They're just too much. It's not really needed. Well, it doesn't really like my video. Oh, not sure how it goes further, but your cool stuff with YouTube commands impressed me. That's kind of sad. So that means there is nothing other than this. At some point, you might be bored about what these commands can do. That is like one nemesis I have in my mind. Of course, how long can I be doing this? There needs to be something which I provide to my viewers so that they can stick and be a community. I cannot just rely on my commands and yet yes, those are first beginners. Those are like first impressions. I tried gaming a lot, man. Even I love gaming, but gaming doesn't really give me that much. If you want to make it a gaming channel, I don't know. I don't think I would be gaming that long, anyways. I love gaming. No negatives for that. I got an email. Probably MongoDB. Yeah. Hope so. Again, I don't really just code. No. It depends. This is not really about a coding channel or a gaming channel. It's my channel. That's what I have in my mind. What's wrong? I don't. We should have definitely, but I'm not really looking into growing like into some kind of big channel. I just want like few people, community, 5, 6, enough. I'll be happy. I'm not really looking for like a financial side hustle or nothing sort of that. Why is it looking for reasoning? No, 5 members in my live stream. That's it. I'm not really looking for money because if I was looking for that, I need to do a lot more, which I'm not really doing. I only get 400. That was my best. 400 was my best pay for 1 month. 400 rupees. So imagine how much should I push to make it at least cover my taxes. So yeah, I'm not saying YouTube is like a waste of time or something. For the efforts which I put, I'm not. It shouldn't be that much expectations is not a valid point. Something's wrong with my English. That is easy, bro. I mean, if it's about 5 to 6 people, it's easy. No, I'm here, lol. So you are there. For some reason, I only get like 1 or 2, and which is I'm happy about it. Trust me. The moment before like 2 streams before, I used to sleep very happy that okay, I made something today. So yeah, that's what I was looking for, just a hobby, so that if I don't really have a hobby in my mind, I would get stressed out, think negative stuff. So these kind of hobbies put my brain to focus something, which of course doesn't really give me any money, but happiness and satisfaction. If I just sit idle, I would have think a lot of negative things. It's better. I think this is better. I love it. So what's the error here? Do you see something? Oh, wonderful, man. Thanks. I should avoid using this too often. I should only use it when the time comes when everyone is listening, and let's leave it. Let Satyam come. I would definitely use it. He would say, "Bro, what is this? You are analyzing segments of a YouTube video, despite if the segment contains an emotional hurt. Respond with highlight." Okay, this is fine. What is this? Why do I have reasoning? I don't need reasoning. What does this stream do? Do you have any idea? I might need help with LangChain. Or should I say? I think this is too much for the wasting time regarding JSON. Can you explain why you asked the highlight and score, not the timestamp? I already have the timestamp. So I'm dividing each segment into a chunks. Why I'm doing that? So basically, this is the reason. That's the thing. I don't think this is the right approach. So this is a entire 10 minutes video. So obviously I can't really send this entire transcript to the AI because it can't really accept that long of a video. Again, I'm aiming for a 2 hours video, not 10 minutes. So imagine any approach we take that should fit this. Of course, for testing, we can use 5 minutes and 10 minutes. But ultimately, this is the goal. So the plan was to just break this transcribed into chunks so that I can feed each one of them and see, okay, this is valid, this is not, this is valid, this is not, and then just make clips out of these. I know this is not perfect, but so that's the reason I feed it to ChatGPT and say, okay, thanks for the like, people. So now ChatGPT bot, it's using sliding window again. I heard about it. It's DSA. I know what it does. I don't know how to do it, so I just feed it to ChatGPT and it did give it to me. So it's going to break into like chunks somehow, and it's going to generate what are the scores. And it's going to eventually, my plan was to combine sequential chunks. So let's say there are 3 chunks which involves in almost same timestamp. So I wanted to mix into one clip. So I can get as number of clips as I can, and I can just scroll while I'm in the restroom or somewhere where I can't really use my PC, but I have my phone. I can just see, okay, this clip seems fine, move it. No use. So this is enough. Again, I'm not making any quality content. I just want to push some shorts. What's happening? I just want to push some. I just want to push some shorts on reels on Instagram. Those should. There is no need for them to be perfect. They just want. I just want them to bring some attention to my main channel. Other than that, I have no expectations from based on those shorts. Now, what do you think? Drop your opinions. It's free. Anyway, good morning, bro. What time is it in India? So yeah, this chunk, that's the entire plan. I don't know. What's the issue we have now? Okay. Oh yeah. Transcribe. This is the one. Instead of JSON, can it respond like true and false? I definitely need score. What is the problem here? Why is it giving me reasoning? The part where you are saying respond with the schema with the and the LLM gives you a response, that response is JSON serializable. Can the LLM do it? Why it's happening? Your prompt says this one. But since large language models like Gamma are trained on helpful resource pattern, they sometimes include extra commentary below the code block. Unless you explicitly tell them not to, which I want to, but how should I give it? That's it. Hey, the guy with code, welcome back, bro. Welcome back to my stream. I made some changes. You want my API key? Try doing it with LangChain with OpenAI. Once we crack it with API, you move to Olama. That's like a different architecture. Ultimately, it doesn't matter if I use OpenAI. I can't really pay for it. So, where are we? I was able to communicate with AI, but for some reason, the AI is returning me more information than I requested it. I don't want this reasoning and stuff. I just want the highlight, whether it's true or not, and then the score. But as you can see, it's giving me more information, and Python, there is probably some issues with the JSON encoder. So not even close. I still have to see what kind of clips it generates, then change my prompt. I still have to manage removing empty time slots or everything. Yeah, we'll have to see. So, reason, yeah, this should be it. Anyway, how are you, the guy with code? Everything's good? It's weekend. Looks like it's working. So far, no errors. That's exactly what I did. I said respond only with a valid JSON object in the following format. Again, no credits. AI told me to do that. Yep, it works. Oh no. Oh, it generated a highlight. Codec frames. What? Well, again, I expected some issues with FFmpeg. It's an awesome tool, but it needs to be having a precise information of which encoder to use. What is the bit rate? If not, it's going to trouble. So this thing is a recorded, I mean, a downloaded YouTube video. So it's having issues with converting it, I guess. But let's see what is the output. I'm excited. Finally, something worked. Oh, my video was. Let me see what was my video was about. So it's just channeling everything into one clip, which is fine. Let me see what it gave me. So the input was this. Is this the one? No. Where is the input? Oh, so this is the input, I guess. How long is this? It's basically my same video. Well, it didn't really crop out anything, so I might need to see what's the issue. I got the JSON, so I think it's better to just save it somewhere. Generating, yeah, so that I don't have to mess with the AI. So this is all I have. Only these are the only segments I have. There should be more. Let's see. So for each, it returns all chunks, I guess. Yeah, it returns all chunks. And then what? After taking all the chunks, merge chunks, I don't know when is this going to be happening. Oh, it's going to remove all the chunks and then merge it back. Merge adjacent highlights if they were within the same gap. This is, I specifically told AI to do it, but I didn't give it a perfect timestamp. Okay, just at max, do it till. Also, you can specify what JSON format you need. Yeah, that's what I did. Of course, AI was having a lot more stuff, so I just removed it. So I don't even need reasoning as well now. I just need highlight and score. If it's more, save it. If not, ignore. Respond only with a valid JSON. So I have these. So I would like to use the same JSON to see if there is any, so that I can save some time with my AI. So does it return each chunk? I should have printed this merge highlights so that, yeah. Print merged highlights, sorry. I want to see what kind of information it passes to this function. So what it takes, it's start and end, and it's going to do it. It is supposed to have a multiple highlights array. That means each highlight will have its own clip. But for some reason, everything is attached into one clip, which is fine. I just wanted to take out the garbage and only show things. I can write piece of code so that it would break those things, no issues. I'm so happy that AI somehow it's working fine. If it could save me at least half my effort, I'll be happy. So what's happening now? Should I reuse? Okay. CLS, done AI. Loaded segments. Oh yeah, it's looking for the damn reason. Where's the damn reason? Highlight reason is important. I don't need reason. I don't think. Do you guys feel I need reason? Put in timeout for each call. Everything is running in local. What? Unless my code is bad, what are the possibilities of timing out? Why is everything 8 and 7? Because this is already an edited video. I don't know. Does it have any codec? Frame size is not set. Oh, this is the entire thing. It doesn't really have any timestamp. AI stuck in hallucination. Well, I didn't really consider that as of now. I thought we can deal with it if something else happens. For now, the main step, yeah, that's a good optimization point anyways. Why does it have everything in one thing? Jagdeep, show my face. Which one? Also, set the hallucination while you are initiating Gen AI. What? Oh, you can type exclamation face. That's how you enlarge this. But if you want to go to the screen, obviously you can type exclamation screen. Thank you, Siddhant. Finally, someone used it. feeling proud of myself. Back to gaming. I need to rename this back to gaming. There's no gaming anymore. But for some reason, thanks for the like. Thanks, guys. Everyone is here. If you're having fun, or if you feeling something, just consider liking my stream. Thank you so much. I'm feeling sleepy, so I'll just lift it up. Set hallucination percentage while you are initiating your Gen AI. I'm using Olama. I don't know how can I control it. क्या चल रहा है? Nothing. Thanks for the like, guys. Like, for some reason, my PC is struggling to have some background separation for that filter. I do have a green screen somewhere. I do have it, but which AI are you using? OpenAI or Gemini? I'm not using any API. That's the point. I'm using Olama self-hosted. That's the true power of open source. Hey, I got 5 likes. Celebrate. Celebrate. Olama Gamma. Yeah. Olama Gamma. Whatever it is. So this AI is being run by in my friend's PC. That's why I think it's fine. It's using GPU, and it's, of course, for every request it's hitting 98%. It's fast. It's fine. For some reason, it's mixing everything into one clip. I don't know how to do that. Sure, but what is so exciting in this? It's nothing but a prompt. But yeah, sure. Obviously, I'll be saving it in the GitHub. No worries. Any idea about config you are using? Nothing. I'm only using gamma of 3b4 or 4b3 something. Let me show you. Yeah, this one, gamma 3.4b. Yes, gamma 3.4b. That's what I'm using. I could have installed all these, but they are of same context window, but for some reason this is the only change. I think I can run this one as well. It's super fast. I don't really want it to be that fast. It's fine. Go to your gamma installation, initialization code. I'm only using a prompt. We're using an API. This is the IP address of my friend's PC where the Olama is running. I can't really run it in my machine because, well, in my gaming PC, of course I can run it, but it has the same hardware. I'm running out of storage. I don't have time to fix the storage first, so I'm just using. He's not using a framework. Yeah, was I supposed to use it? I didn't really. I'm sort of a person who tries to use as less as possible. He's making a network API. Yeah, is it too bad? Is it not a good idea? As you can see, it's working fine. I just want to make it work first, then try to use something else. Again, I have no shame to admit. I don't know much about AI and using it, so not everyone knows everything. So yeah, I'm still learning. It's fine. They do cloud calls. My startup is in the way. I mean, it's about to be launched. Best of luck, Jagdeep. Hope your hard work pays off. And do cloud calls. They are free. I don't know what framework are you talking about. Maybe I will learn something new today. Olama Cloud. What is the framework? I don't know much about these guys. Still learning. Go easy on me. Yeah, go get your breakfast. No worries. LangChain. I asked you how to use it. You're talking about Olama functions. I only found this. So this is the one I found it. Nothing other than this. But do you think for my use case, is it necessary? Well, I still have a major fix to issue. Like, what is this? I don't know how to initialize LangChain with Olama, which is running on a different server. The guy with code. What should I call you? There should be a. I'm going to call you code. I mean, make your life easier. Well, yeah, that's what this application is intended to do. Make my life easier. These weird responses won't come basically. Yeah, sending you a file on Discord. Exactly. Where is it? General recruits. Cracked files. No. Get roles. Mehul? Rahul or Mehul? Mehul, yeah, Mehul. Okay, no worries. Why did it mix up everything in one clip? I just can't really understand it. What could be the reason? Yeah, it's a spam. I don't think that's anytime latest. I think it's too old. Yeah, it's 2023. Yeah, it should have been deleted. Who is this person? This person account is all. I think it's almost. Was he in my? How can I report him or ignore? Remove from my channel. Oh yeah, ban. Why was it? Why didn't he see this option before? Ban. Spam account. Okay. Delete message history. Yeah, it's fine. Delete this. It's not hosted. You will have to host it. Okay, give me 2 minutes. Need to check few stuff before I share client. Oh yeah. Make sure you do that. I will definitely open it in the other window just to see if you missed something. But no worries. Do delete it, please. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. It's not hosted. I will definitely need it someday, but as of now, no. But I appreciate the efforts. What is the logic behind it? Would you also run an AI and then send it to it? Do you think this is a spam? The reasoning. Yes, I do think this is a spam. Maybe not. Spam score 7 out of 10. Yeah, exactly. So response. That's how I made. You are analyzing segments of video. Determine if the segment contains any important hook or anything, which it does. Oh, I got a parcel. Where is it? Edible alerts? No. General? Ah, here you go. I don't know what is this. Oh, what? I thought you only gave me inputs. What is this? This is WebDriver. Okay, this seems interesting. These ads on your channel are annoying. I don't mind watching an ad if you're making money out of it. Well, definitely, but I don't really have much control on ads. Trust me, YouTube makes it feel make it feel like as if I have all my control. But even if I turn off my monetization, it would still show you ads because YouTube makes money out of it. Just it won't give me money. And I have the least ad option, like not too interrupted. Is it still being too interrupted? No problem. I can understand this. I'm going to pick up my own process and store article. I'm going to copy paste this. Of course, it's going to take time. I can't really look into all this. I am going to ignore these. Where is the main function? Main, okay, phone. What is this about? Gemini API key. So you are taking FAQs for somewhere? Successfully processed, failed. Process all FAQs. All articles URL. Are you web scraping or something? Put cry. I think there are some other commands you can try. Let me see. I can manually, I can instantly build few commands as of now. If you want me to do it, there is dump, there is welcome. I don't know what it does. Even I forgot what it does. What that will do? Nah, it's not going to work. It's probably, I added it 1 month ago. I was meant to be doing with it something, but I forgot what it was. There should actually be a cry. Yeah, there should actually be a cry face. Oh, but that is being used for dislike thing. You want to see me cry, boy? How do you like this? Do you see? I got another one. Too much to explain. Check this out. Python LangChain doc introduction. Oh yeah, application for process large language. It's okay. Getting back to basics. Hey, let's focus on this. It's almost 12 in an hour. I need to make something out of this. So, a quick question. Of course, I need to learn this new thing. I'm a fast learner. It's fine. I'm going to give it some time. But as of now, I would like to deal with the one which I have, then learn about this LangChain. Once I learn about it, I can definitely determine whether to use it or not. I appreciate your help. Trust me, I'm not telling you things out of thin air. I really appreciate it. You, Siddhant, because you guys told me how to proceed with this. If not you guys, it would have been so much difficult. Like JSON, AI would return some stupidity. Yeah. So because again, AI is not really the problem here. Of course, if I used any paid API, it would have worked fine. It's just something is missing. It shouldn't be supposed to like mix all things into one. That's the reason I wanted to see what is the merge doing here. Of course, I definitely have to feed it to the AI and tell it that, hey, there's one more thing. How are you giving data? So this is the video input2.webm. I am just transcribing it into segments like timestamps and then feeding chunks of time, like the entire timestamp. Obviously, imagine you're converting a 2 hours video. It's not possible to feed it entirely to the AI. I don't know how Opus or the other tools use them. They also format 4 hours videos. There is one thing which I am not able to get it. Maybe LangChain can do that. Yeah, chunking is necessary. So this is what I did. Traditional chunking, fine. So instead of breaking like subsequently into like small chunks of let's say 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, what if there is a potential clip in this section? 1 minute and 1 minute, which is also equivalent to 2 minutes. So I asked this question to AI and it's using some sliding window. I didn't really verify it, but it's still providing chunks. It's fine. I don't need every second of my clip. In a 2 hours video, if I can only get 5 clips, I'm so happy with it. I just want to post some shots in YouTube and Instagram so that I can get enough attention. Maybe out of 100, one guy might be thinking, this seems interesting. Why not just check out his channel? That's the only expectations I have. And this is the efforts I'm putting in. So before I put any efforts, I would think, what am I expecting? And what are the efforts that should match or exceed a little bit? I cannot sit for months and years and then train my own LLM to do it. So I'm just trying to find a reasonable balance. I hope I'm on the right path. Yes, this could have been done in a much better way, professional way using frameworks, but for now, I'm still learning. I'm just going to build a fundamental to see, okay, this is how it works. Then I can obviously learn new tools, which I did in the past. So it's just a straightforward breaking. So let's see, this is the segments. This is how it looks. I'm using Whisper OpenAI to convert my video into those chunks. Should be right here. So this is how it looks. We can see you can deploy a Raspberry Pi. This is my video. It has some tokens for some reason, and it is seek and start. It has timestamps. So it divides this section into chunks. So it takes these segments, start from 0, duration end, and it's going to go over some sliding window algorithm. This is DSA. I'm not really good with it. I still doubt it, but again, it's fine. If it just breaks the video into certain segments, it's fine. I can change this logic so that it can handle a little bit better, but that's the next step. As of now, the first step is done. AI working fine. Of course, that could have been improved, but it's fine. It's okay. Not everything will be achieved in the first time. So what do you think? You guys have any opinions? This is the piece of code. So for each start and end, it's going to just make each multiple chunks, and it's going to save it. So there is another logic which is called merge chunks. So once AI processes it and returns those, it's going to combine those chunks which have similar timestamps ish. But instead of that, I was expecting it. I don't know, for some reason it's combining everything into one clip. So there is some logic here. That's the reason I'm going to feed it to the AI again and ask it. I think it's better to give it complete code. For some reason, can you show me where you're calling query gamma highlights in the code? Query gamma highlights. I think it's, can I share a link? So maybe you guys can see it manually. Share code online. If you are used, I don't understand a single line of code. Okay, I'll help you. Welcome. You seem, I think you joined previously. I said I'm going to call you mate. So show my face. Welcome to the stream again, mate. So it's nothing really complicated. It's just there is a transcribe of 2 hours video. I'm breaking it into small chunks and feeding it to AI so that it can tell me which chunk has potential of making some content, which chunk doesn't really have any valid thing to make it into a YouTube a short or an Instagram reel. So yeah, these chunks are being processed and returned back. For some reason, instead of being a separate clip, everything is being shown in one clip. The culprit is this function, which is merge chunk. So the chunks which I divided is going to merge them back. But I don't want them to merge into one clip again. That defeats the purpose. It's just, okay, divide into clips, or I think it's better to just add a time limit so that it only adds up to certain time and then breaks it. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Let's use live share. Yeah, VS Code live share. Perfect. I know, that's what I was about to ask. Do you guys know live share? I will share read as of now. Kinda different. How should I share it? There should be something right here. Yep. So this is the link. I don't know if, tell me if it works fine or not. If not, I'm going to paste it in Discord or somewhere. Back to gaming. I hope I gave a short understanding of what I'm doing. Imaginary mate. That's nothing fancy. I'm just using AI to generate an AI tool. AI building AI. All chunks are converted one single clip, which defeats the purpose of this project. I want clips with max 120 seconds time, and they need to have meaningful content. Let's see. Code is not loading for me for some reason. Let me see. I didn't really get any requests. Did you log in? I didn't. I normally get some requests. If I might need to approve them, but I don't see anything. Live share is awesome, man. I work with it a lot. I like it. Maybe I can try one. I can try it one more time if you guys want. You want me to stop it and turn it on again? Let me see if the guy with code Mehul, what's his name? Invalid URL, probably the copy paste. So okay, I will do this. So you guys are available on Discord, so try it. Yeah, Discord is the only way. Now don't suggest me to build my own app under blazingmain.com, which can be used for sharing links and code. It's fine, we can use Discord. Why to reinvent the entire wheel again? Okay, you're super close to having a solid highlight extractor. The issue you're running is all highlights are merging into one clip. This is coming from this function. Thank you so much. What is the thing? Also, you can limit individual chunks length before merge. If any chunk is over 120 seconds, you might want to split it or skip it, depending on your use case. For now, we just enforce the merge is no longer 120 seconds, optional. Filter out too long single chunk. Oh. Perfect, got the access. Let me see. Yep, you are right here. Do you guys want control? I'm happy to provide. I'm happy to give it to you, but don't, give me any troubles. Are you fine with read, or do you want write access as well? Hi guys, I trust you, so there you go. So mine is keep loading. Yours is cursed, my friend. I don't see any cursed. Mehul has actually joined. I don't see any other person. I don't think it's we can only join one person. I think we can join more people. I don't really know the exact limit. Going through code, yeah, please go. It says the optional filter is too long. Let's try to merge these. So CLS running this. AI loading segments. Let's see. I'm waiting. Well, now I'm able to get like 10 clips. Let's go each of them. I'm sure they make zero sense. They would be like cutting off in between, and then well, let's see. Not this one. This one, coding AI editor. Yes, no. Deleting this. It's no longer AI node. Okay, here we go. I don't think there a problem with my VS Code? I think it's doing a good job, except for some reason the clips are not really making any. Are you guys ready to try a long video? I'm super excited. What do you guys think? Instead of a short video, how about this one? A long video. The audio is not really up to the mark, so I'm not going to use this clip. But let me try some other things. So yeah, I'm getting another error. Code frame size is not set. So obviously, I don't think it's a good idea to use YouTube videos because they have a different encoder, and FFmpeg generally struggles it. So let's make it a long video. VS Code crash income. What have you done? What have you done? Have you just copy pasted an entire piece of code? Or so somehow it's working. I'm excited. I'm happy. But the reason I'm not really sure is the one video which I gave it to the AI is the edited video, which it's fine. So I was just joking. Even if you break it, it's fine. We can somehow revert it back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, I understand. No, do you want me to run it in a third-party terminal? I don't think that really makes any changes. But yeah, let's keep VS Code out of it. I'm super excited. So let me copy a long video from my streaming PC. We should have videos. I think this is the yesterday's video, 23rd. Let me see the audio quality. There is no way it's going to understand what I'm trying to say. What do you guys think? Should I proceed with this video? Or there are other videos as well, a bit old. My audio is really bad in this. Do you guys think the same? Oh, my phones are like completely. It's so hot. Guys, you're not responding anything. Do you want me to try this video or this video? I'm trying to pick something which. Okay, few ways to go ahead. Do I need a better mic? I thought I'm going for this one. This seems some kind of a funny video. Are you guys fine with my mic, or do you want me to buy a new one? Semantic search. First we need to test this and then see how it added. While it's executing, there's nothing I can do in my PC because it's going to use the CPU to process the whatever that is. Before that, I think it's better to fix this error. Am I speaking too fast for it to understand? Speaker aware chunking. Okay. We must need to understand what are those two. Text based, yeah, this is what I'm doing. Speaker based aware chunking. Never heard of it. If it needs another AI tool, it must be free. Or else it should be cheap so that I can pay for it. But for now, I'm going for all free tools, open source. If you guys are good with the mic, I think it's fine. This mic is trash. It's fine for my PC, but there is no way I can use this for streaming PC. I can use that, the arm, all the other streamers has. I would like to keep my space a little bit big so that I don't have any restrictions moving my hand and etc. because I already have a light. Do you guys know how I use my light? I will show it to you one second. So that's one problem. imagine I'm showing something. Imagine I'm showing something interesting, but I'm not really speaking any words. So that interesting stuff will be removed. That there is also the same problem which also happens in my code, because it only analyzes text. So yeah, those stuff still needs to be manually edited. I don't, or else there is another tool called OpenCV which could look at each frame of my video. Man, for like 5 minutes of video, it was taking too long, and it felt everything is important. No use. So as of now, I just wanted to bring some content out of my streams. If I had too much processing for OpenCV, I only find that I know there should be another tool. I didn't really jump much deep dive into it, because I felt for a live stream video, everything is important. I mean, yeah, everything is important. Or else it's only capturing movements, and it was highlighting my face, because that's the only thing which is moving. If I'm talking too long, there's nothing happening in my this one. I think the video is like copied. Before we proceed, let me just see. Let me just change. This should be input mkv. Oh, there's already one. Input mkv. First, I need to change the transcript here. Okay, this thing is not needed. Model. This should be input mkv. I need to re-input this whisper. So this is the result. I don't need this result now. The old one, which was coming from a static. Ignore that. I don't want any stupid errors. It should be fast. Did I remove anything here? No. So I'm good to go. But before that, I wanted to fix the FFmpeg first. But I guess it's working fine. I'm not really worried about the quality as of now. I'm worried about the clips. Once I got the clips, I'll be happy. Are you guys ready? How many likes do I have? Don't worry, I'm not going to say give me 10 likes. That's when I start doing it now. Was excited. Hello? Like, start processing it. No one's excited. I'm just looking if I missed anything. What is copy? Let's go. Okay. One is excited. Now we have 15 minutes to. I'm kind of searching what is the best suitable for us. Yeah, I understand. But now it's all talking now. There's nothing I can do. It's using the damn CPU to process that 3 hours long video, so it's going to take a long time. I'm just going to sit idle for now. So this is the next step. Let's say I'm reacting to a website. I wanted to see how it handles it. That's the next step. Where's my water bottle? Okay. In the meantime, I can show you my janky setup. The lighting. You guys are going to love the lighting. Just guess what I'm using. Have a guess. What do you guys think about my lighting setup? It's nice. It's fun. Everything's fine. I will show you. So excited. Yeah, get ready, boys. Hey. It's a bachelor room, so it's a bit messy. Let me just look around. I think it's fine. I don't think you guys would judge. So 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, really? You're sneaky. I don't know if you guys can see me. Yeah, so obviously that's my main monitor. This is my awesome keyboard. It's, what is this called? Low profile or less profile? I think it's low profile keyboard. This is just mouse change. This is the wireless microphone which I normally use, and this is my work machine, so ignore that. This is my work headset, ignore that. I use the same keyboard and mouse for my work and my gaming, streaming. This is my phone stand, I think, and this holds some screws, like things. This is a LAN adapter, like extra cables. I was trying to set up cables behind it, so ignore. I'll come to that section. So these are, there should be a gaming phone somewhere. Anyway, this is my bed. That's my, what do you call it? What do you call it? You call it a poster? It's not really a painting. So this is my bed. That's a window, a good view in the mornings. When it rains, it's awesome. This is my this is basically my gaming phone. I play PUBG and some other games. And then, yeah, the code is done. This is how I read my chat anyways. There's nothing I'm doing, but it's still processing, so I would like to let it stay there. And then this is the light. This is my camera. This is just a dust filter. So I have a LED bulb, but it was so harsh. So what I did, I just added another cover on the top of it. So how did I hang it on there? There is a boom arm, or you can say mount, like the monitor stand. I just stuck it on the top of it. So yeah, it works fine. It does its job. This is my streaming PC, my stats and everything. So this is my gaming PC. That's my streaming PC. You know who is this guy? This is a toy car. That's my Wi-Fi. That's my cables. Yeah, so far that's it. Switching back. How do you think? What do you feel? I think it's fine. I'm happy. Are you guys too bored about it? I forgot to show you my chair, but it's nothing fancy. It's still running. I just like I said, it takes it takes almost 20 minutes to process it. Hey, I love it, man. I'm so happy that I have this life. I don't have excess money, but I have enough to live. Let me try to create another file. Yeah, you can play with it. It's no problem. Don't compare it. So my first PC I got, the streaming PC which I'm using, I got it in 2018. 1070, 8700K. It's still the same PC. The next PC which is sitting next to it, the game PC, I got it here in 2023. The camera 2022, monitor right here. These two monitors you see, those are not mine. One is given by my work and the other one is my friend, also his work monitor. The desk is my seniors, he left, so I took it. The other desk is my friend's. So now I shared a little bit more. You guys can see I always pick something which I can work on. I don't really get stuff just like that. I just, okay, what do I have now? So I have a table, but I need another table, so I would just get another one. That's it. No other complications. It's still running. As you can see, my CPU is at max, which is fine. No worries. It's running at 4.5 gigahertz. I don't know why it didn't touch 5 gigahertz. It could have used it max potential. I think I need to turn on GPU processing instead of CPU. It could have saved me at least 10 minutes. Well, that's for future. So I'll just add a notepad or a readme file in this repository. Let's say documentation.md. So to-dos, let's name it as to-dos. Use GPU for Whisper. There's a spelling, how do you spell it, and then what next? What next? Fix FFmpeg to use better encoding and set some frame limit, which is what it was complaining about. Yeah, I think these are the top priority as of now. So that now I need to save some time so that I have to run this longer version of processing a lot more in order to test a valid output. Now else I can just download one of my streaming videos, then crop it to like 20 minutes without extracting highlight, just a plain old. Instead of 2 hours, maybe 30 minutes. So that let's see how it handles it. I think it's not really a valid thing to put exactly 2 seconds, 2 minutes. You know what, let's see how fast it can do if I give it to FP16 instead of FP32. How can I set this? I think I have NVIDIA CUDA drivers. Do I have it? Yeah, NVIDIA Night Insight System, that's the one I downloaded. Let me see what I have downloaded in my other PC. For some reason I'm not seeing my match. I'm not seeing my mouse inside this. Come on. CUDA, this is the one I downloaded, so I'm going to copy paste it somewhere. Why can't I find my mouse, dude? So CUDA version, okay, I think I have downloaded the wrong version then. Close it. I can deal with it, no problem. So did you make another file, testing.py? I think this is the one you're working on. Oh. Optional for future visual you're doing something interesting. Extract audio chunk. It's fine. I didn't write any I just fixed a few puzzles. That is vibe coding. Using AI to build AI. I'm not really building an AI, so that doesn't really matter. So query gamma for an audio. You are analyzing a video based on an audio heard between sounds. I can give sounds as well, right? I can just simplify. So we are separating audio with video. Okay, that makes sense. And analyzing the audio both separately. You're analyzing video and combining them at the end. This definitely is worth the try. I'm enjoying this stream though. It's awesome. Why did you remove it? I didn't really see completely. Okay. So we are separating audio and video and then analyzing both separately and combining at them. Do you think a local hosted AI would be able to process a video for like what, 3 hours? Depends. We'll definitely have to see. Again, I'm not really expecting like exact human level matching. So imagine I stream something and I felt myself that, okay, this section of the stream is awesome. I will manually edit those. But I did edit some stream. I'm just going to upload it, and so that at some point we could do live. Yeah, that's the main live. Oh, we'll definitely have to see. This seems excited. If I'm able to do it, fine. I can just go to sleep and let it. My PC is going to stay up all the time anyway, so it's fine. But how long does it take? And again, this is one problem. I'm going to use my streaming PC to process such things. So after I stream, let's say I have 12 more hours. I have a 1070. It's not even RTX. I can turn on my gaming PC for the use of AI. That's one thing I can do. Azure VM. I never went into Azure myself. Again, I'm not afraid of doing it. I can explore any different places, no problem. It's easy. Yeah, I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is. Show my face. I'm talking about. This is the community I'm talking about. I'm just happy. Thank you. Oh no, thanks. It's hard hearing it. Back to coding. Sorry, back to gaming. So this is what I really expected when I started streaming. I didn't want any money or any something. It's just having a community, building projects together, trying to help each other. It's a fun time. Imagine having a hobby so that I can go back to sleep. Thank you. So imagine such hobbies, such happiness. I can go back to sleep in peace. I'll drop on my bed and be like, okay, this was a fine day. Thank you so much, each and everyone. Enough for me. I don't need like 1,000 people where I won't even look at the chat, not even able to understand what's happening. It's fine. Let's build some cool. Hey, this is too much. When did I start processing this? I think it's better to first fix this damn thing, then go with something else. In the meantime, let me download the damn CUDA. NVIDIA CUDA drivers. I think this is what I downloaded yesterday. Yeah, this is exactly what I downloaded. I don't know which one did I pick. I think this is the one I did. I don't see it here for some reason, but yeah, I'm sure. I have to restart your machine to complete the. Oh. Well, it's fine. It's fine if it takes more than an hour. Definitely. Oh my! You have a Mac Mini, bro? Oh yeah, you're watching my own stream. Wonderful. Zebronics. That's the exact keyboard my friend used to use. That's the exact keyboard. Let me take a photo of it. That was the exact keyboard we used to play when I was in my undergrad BTech. Why would you use a book for it? What is it? Visual? What? Man, you got a Mac Mini and you're complaining. Yeah, that's the thing. He said my setup is best. I'm getting a new keyboard. Hey, someone joined the channel. Okay. Visual Dictionary is something. What do you have? Why would you have that woolen thing? Oh, there's a sim agent. Okay, let's welcome a new person to the channel. I'm going to get back to you, Siddhan. Show my face. Welcome, Bartingyo. Where do you guys find these names? Look at mine, Blazing Bane. That's awesome. And just joking. Welcome to the stream, Barting. I'm going to call you Barting. This is Blazing Bane. There are cool stuffs you can do in my stream. If you can drop a comment, then I can explain more about it. But anyways, welcome to the stream. Celebrate. Thanks for joining. Thanks for subbing to my channel. How many points do you have? 120. That's awesome. Man, the Zebronics keyboard, I still remember. For some reason, it used to give me static electricity. When I put my hand on that metal area, I used to get shock. I remember that keyboard perfectly fine. And it was my friend's keyboard back in the day. It came with a mouse. Yeah. I'll show you something. There are some things which I won't prefer to have it on my table, but I have it because someone close to me gave it. I don't want that to be sitting on my table. It's not needed. But man, that keyboard, whenever I used to play, it's not that powerful of a static current. It's just a little bit. But when I'm gaming, I'm like, back to gaming. Hey, who was the new? What was the new guy named Barting? You still here, man? You're not sending any messages? Is everything all right? If you're still watching, if you like my stream, something's going to happen. If you dislike, something's going to happen. Give it a try. If you're interested in programming, you definitely need to try them. If not, it's fine. I have a similar looking key like desk, by the way. You have an Acer monitor. Man, you got a Mac Mini. You should be happy. Why are you so upset that my setup? I mean, I'm not really a Mac person, so I'm fine with Windows and Linux. But I understand why you would prefer Mac as well. Let's see, what apps do you have? Do you mind watching those? I didn't really use much Mac in my life, so is it the Mac Zoom it can go? Oh, let me download it. You can definitely post this inside the setups. Copy image. There is something called setup. Where is it? This is my friend Zimas. That's one of my close friends. Iconic. Yeah, I remember Iconic. Those were good gaming kits. This was my setup when I first entered US. Small room. Just a few weeks. Yeah, this one is like this one is overpros. I think he changed his name. It should be something. This was how we used to play. This is Juno, one of my friends. So this was my setup in India. Back in when I was in India, you can see this is the exact PC I'm using as my streaming PC right now. The case is not the same. I didn't carry the case to US, but that's the same. I think I have a better picture. This is one of my friends is playing on his PC. This is 2021. Good old days, man. Yeah, definitely post your images in this. I can't post it. That's strange. Yeah, I suggest just for the, for the future, for memories. Drop your image here. Why would someone dislike my stream? Show my face. If anyone truly disliked, no, I would come back at certain point. Whoever disliked my video, it's fine. I appreciate your opinion. Just express what you didn't like so that I can improve on that. I think that's a fair deal. Back to gaming. I would definitely come back some point, but no, not sure. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Is there any progress? No. I code there. The guy, just leave it here in this way. It's fine. I would like to keep it that way. I admire some Easter eggs, so I don't mind you leaving them. Just keep it. I'm going to save it in the repository as well. Someday we are going to look at it. The guy with code. Our setup. Yep. Thank you so much. Yeah, memories. This was my streaming, settings back when. I don't think this is to be here. I'm starting to get scared. Why am I losing likes? This happened before. I start to get few likes. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, I got a like again, so happy. Siddharth, if you got access, you can also leave one of your signatures if you want to. Jagdeep is taking a whole day to take breakfast, and he talks about punctuality. I placed on client A. Man, I want you to leave it. Don't remove it. You know what? I'm going to copy paste so that if in case you removed it, I will still have it. So yeah, I have it. I'm definitely going to keep it that way. So Siddhant, if you got access, just do something you want to do as well. I like this. These are fun. It's trying to build nostalgia for the future. I don't know how long this application would stay alive for me, but it's fine. It's taking more than how long did it take? Man, I think it's better to install. I can restart my PC. It's not problem because I have my gaming streaming PC which handles the stream anyways. If you guys give me a few minutes, I can definitely do that. Let me check my code. Sure, but sure. The guy with code, do you mind sharing your setup? Didn't bird my signature will be there somewhere. I'm here every day now. I mean, yeah, it's definitely there inside XD. If it fails, you're running your code in my terminal. I don't think that's a valid option because it's already using it max. But yeah, if you're happy to run in your machine and see if it works. We already have the website for us. The Blazing Bane, it has its own thing. But that's the thing. The reason for this was to just have some things. So other than these, I don't really see any other way I could add some Easter eggs or memories into them. But these are fun. You sent 256 messages till now. How do you feel about it? Oh yeah, once I'm done with it, then run it. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So sometimes as a streamer, I forget the context what you're talking about. $56. I was showing dollars, but Chotu has changed his profile picture. Man, Anton was fun. Naveen Viper, they were fun as well. So it looks like they joined in January 2025, but they were on my channel for like 2021. I lost my database. This time I'm not really doing that because you know what? I wrote a lot of automation scripts where it would upload all my upstream. So this we can see, it uploads every day. But for some reason it didn't really upload it today. It's 20. Oh, it's 26th now. It should have. When did I add it? Do I have a specific time? Also, at later stage, check out Cursor AI. Okay, sure. He's a prime. Oh, you don't really have to say that. I understand. So once I work with my AI thing and then I almost done with my backend. I just wanted to have a dynamic way to add commands, which is also done. You're running low on disk, probably because of recording clips. Let me just focus on that first. Man, I need to buy some storage, I guess. No, I'm going to do all these clips to location. That's fine. 1 second, guys. 1 second. I don't want things to be running out of space. Delete them, save it somewhere else. Temp. I know that's not really a good name, but that's fine. Okay, it's moving so that I can get some more space. Okay. Where did I stop? Also, at later stage, check out Cursor AI IDD. I was interested in it. The reason why I didn't really do that was, for some reason, until I really feel like doing it, I don't. And as a professional person, it's not really advised to depend that much on AI, because at some point, if I switch companies, there are so many companies in US which doesn't appreciate developers using AI. I'm 100% sure Cursor AI's ID is a good thing, but if I get used to it, it would be difficult for my career. I'm fine with Super Maven and VS Code. What is that? WebStorm and PyCharm, whatever. Those are fine for me. I don't mind taking a few minutes away, searching, manually typing, and asking AI. Basically, I'm doing the same things as AI. It's just not getting too used to it. Maybe a few years back, like maybe after a few years, like 2 to 3 years, it's fine. I love Super Mario. Yeah, it's awesome. It does its job. It's awesome. That's more than enough for me. I don't want AI to tell me what to do. I want I want me to tell it what to do and then just give me the code. I'm totally fine with it. For some reason, if I use AI based helpers which are more than Super Maven, it kills my mind of ability to think. It somehow knows what I want to do the next, but it won't suggest me what to do. Basically, I'm trying to contradict, but it's like, let's say I'm building like a pipe in Angular. If you guys don't know what a pipe is, let's say I'm building a division and I'm trying to add a division flex. It fills out division flex, justify center. Perfect. Perfect. I was running out of words. Perfect. That's the exact thing. It's like, okay, now I definitely know what to do. But if that thing can do it, it could save me time and it feels good. Developer experience, it's fine. But I don't want it to suggest things to me like, hey, you can do this in better way in this way. No, let me handle those things. You do what I say. So if I want to learn something new, if I want to do something which I'm stuck, obviously I can use ChatGPT there, right in there. So what do you think? So his prime Again guy, I didn't understand the context behind it. Maybe a comment was removed for some reason. Imaginary meet, please improve your website. Forgot about your. I think I responded, but not in a complete way. So the reason is after I build my AI tool, etc., then I will definitely focus on this website. I'm going to update it on live stream definitely, so that I can take your opinions as well. Hopefully this is soon. But no one is really using this website anyways, so this is not really my top priority. I hope that's fine. The next comment is, I think, yeah, we are good after that. Man, it's taking an hour, almost 30 minutes to do this. Yeah. Oh, you guys enjoying the speak command? I'm so convenient about it. It looks as if I'm reading the chat, but the moment I hear speak command, I just ignore the chat message. If I couldn't understand what the speak command says, that's when I try to understand. But if you guys type like perfect or normal English, it does its job. Yeah, man, it's taking too long. Did it crash or something? I don't mind. It can take an hour, but for live stream, I just wanted to complete this fast to see how it works. I think it's better to start using those GPU stuff. Should I begin installing that thing? It's taking too much time. Or maybe let's wait for 10. Let's cancel it and try my code. It would take even more time. It would definitely take more time. So my approach is wait for 15 more minutes. Oh my God. I mean, that's the main purpose of Speak. Yeah, on smaller clips, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. I really want to wait 10 more minutes. Is it fine for you guys? It's fine for me, but 10 more minutes. Let's talk about some garbage. Let's open Twitter and see what. Oh, I'm starting to hate Twitter as well. And you know what? Let's do this. Let's debug why didn't it update my, on April 25th. I wrote a script to execute it exactly at 2. That means 1 day is missing. So let's see. And locks up and everything, so it should be fine. It is connected to my stream. Never mind. Okay, bringing back the mouse. Are you guys okay if I stream some games tomorrow? If yes, what game do you want me to play? Oh, I forgot how to look at the log. Yeah, rclone. Nano rclone backup.log. What? Hey, gaming kids! Show my face. Gaming kids. Thanks. Thanks for the like. Show my face. Back to gaming. Voice breakout in between. Is my voice breaking in between? I don't think so. I mean, the graph looks fine. Well, I turned it on. For testing, I'm going to use this PC, but it's fine. I can use this PC as well, but I will try to use my own PC. Fine. I have a PC running always anyways. It doesn't matter if it's slow. It can be slow. I have whole day. It's fine, but I need to make it perfect so that it won't crash. I don't want it to make it too like that. Break sometimes. Is it because of my mic? Is it because of my mic or the internet? Internet, there is only one option. This is the only internet I have. I mean, even in my area, I try to look for another service provider, but that's the only one I have. So even if it's bad, I have to stick with them. The audio, I don't. That's the reason. If you guys feel like it, I can buy a new one. But I don't want to have like an arm sticking right in front of my face. But if it could bring some quality, definitely. But I have to do my research. I don't know. Yeah, you said about this before. It should be fine. I don't. Command not found. Yeah, it's definitely okay. I don't want it to be fine manageable. Let me look at something which maybe they don't have. These are the only options I have. Yeah, the voice thing, I understand. I first thought it's your laptop you're talking about, but now I understand. I don't really want to invest this much. $50. What is the difference between these two? There are too many options and I'm totally confused which one to pick. I thought about it, but if I felt like when too many people complain about it, or if too many people felt like it's really needed, that's when I'm going to invest. See my chat. Hello, sir. You said hello, sir. Voice breakouts in the air. After that, nothing. Gaming kids. English la matlava. Chala mandi English unnaru. Just a request, man. Thank you. Okay, the AI is still running. It has 7 more minutes, like 5 plus 9 more minutes. Okay. I got an interview round in for the company. Which company? I think gaming kids, your messages got deleted for some reason, so I only. Wow. San Francisco. Celebrate. Yes, engine AI. Mobius engine AI. Mobius engine AI. Mobius engine. This is the one. Mobius engine. Yeah, do your best. We'll have to see. Is the tech stack they're looking for? I mean, there's nothing you can lose, so don't be afraid. Just do whatever you can. There's nothing exciting. About us. So this is the founder. Okay. More refer friends testimonial plan about us. Oh, it's too shaky. That's expected, so it's fine. Front end around React, Angular. Sorry. Oh, React. Hey, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You can have fun as long as you want, Siddhant. So this is not needed as of now. Try it. Can I steal your one WebM file? Of course you can, but I don't. My internet is too slow. I'm also streaming. I wouldn't suggest you to do it right now, but I will definitely share you a link in Discord after I'm done with streaming. I only have 20 Mbps upload. If I gave that to you, the stream would lag. So you can definitely use it. But I don't know how much, how large is the size. Yeah, of course, of course. Yep, every day. I definitely try to stream every day, but sometimes, things didn't work out as expected. So let me see how much, what? Stupid. Videos. So let's say this is yesterday's and it's about 4.5 GB. Clone your part 1 repo, add a second page, features and add using headers and buttons, and maintain design tokens. Wire up navigations. Second page. Okay, using headers and footer. Fine. Maintaining design tokens. I understand maintaining design. What is, I'm not aware about tokens. Wire up navigation is fine. I mean, you're adding a new page, so there are enough videos on YouTube, gaming kids. There is, I believe you use React router for adding those pages, and we have stack navigation, etc. for the navigations. I think they are referring to like general industry standard design tokens, but I'm not really aware of it. You can ask a question to them. It's fine. Don't feel afraid to ask questions. Did you ask ChatGPT if it could share something? Does anyone know what is maintain design tokens? Manage design tokens. Store them in a centralized location. Oh, probably they might be referring to this Figma tokens. Design to I think they are referring to design tokens. I don't want to get copyrighted, so like UI. Yeah, I think they are referring to like the UI grade. Stream in my server? I mean Discord? I don't think you can stream to my YouTube, but yeah, if YouTube Discord is yours, it's fine. You can do whatever you want. But you want to stream in my server? Why would you want to do that? Instead, you can stream on your YouTube channel. Tell me what you want to do so that I can understand. Yeah, in my Discord, yeah, definitely. I don't care. It's up to you. But why would you pick a Discord to stream? In case you want to do it, just do it. I'm not the YouTube guy. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, it's fine. So, gaming kits, I think design tokens are a set of phrases where you have certain elements in your application which will be universal entirely in the entire app. Let's say you have a toggle button, that's a token. So you have that and you use the same in all your application pages so that it stays consistent. Other than that, I don't really have any meaning other than tokens. Even I have to search the internet to have a better understanding for it. So, and honestly, that's really a app context is not app context is about data transfer. I don't think they are talking about that. Design tokens is something else. Again, we are at this point we are still guessing what it is. It's better to ask someone else who knows what that means. Or let's ask ChatGPT. What are some material or maintain design tokens in React? I don't even know what design token means in frontend. Great question. You're not alone. Design tokens can sound mysterious at first, but they appear super useful once you get hang of them. It's frontend like especially design. Colored tokens. Okay. Yeah, this is the one. Okay. Lightning. So finally, yeah, definitely do it, man. It would definitely help you. I didn't really do it. I regret it for not doing it in my earlier stages. But if you have time, if you can do it, definitely do it. You should do it. So design tokens are nothing different. So it's just a place where you apply all your stylings at once and you use it. The main purpose of this is, if imagine you currently have a background primary as some red, and in future you want to turn it to green, you can just change it in one spot and that will be changed entirely entire application. The word design tokens is not really a simple word. It's just corporate world where they try to make it sound complicated for all simple things. But yeah, it's basic. You can size like set up sizes. Don't get afraid, man. It's fine. They could have simply used a different word, design tokens. It's just to make time things. Okay, we have exceeded the limit. I thought 10 minutes, but now it's almost 15 minutes. While I keep it open, I will start installing the CUDA. Because at some point I have to do it anyways. So I'm doing it now, installing CUDA. I want to temporarily extract if the folder does not exist, it will be created for you. Okay. What? CUDA in ODI is Abarjana. One doubt, what is Olama? Olama is an application which lets you install open source AI models or LLM models in your machine, which I did, and I'm using that AI LLM model to pick highlights in my video. That's what I'm trying to build with the help of Siddhant and the guy who codes, Muhal or Mahul, that was his name. Sorry. Iconic, I was just talking about you in like half an hour ago. Yeah. Welcome back, Iconic. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Show my face. Iconic is back, so it deserves a party. Celebrate. Welcome back, Iconic. Good to see you back. How are you, man? Back to gaming. Back to gaming. I was talking about you. I was just showing the previous streams and not streams. It's just previous usernames. I was like, Iconic was an awesome person. He came to my streams for almost 2 to 3 years. Every time I stream, he would try to join it. It's best. I was just appreciating you for the support. Good to have you back. So just a quick heads up, I'm building an application. Basically it would convert my video, which is like 2 to 3 hours long. It would take it, convert into a text with segments, which has timestamps and everything, and it would feed it to an AI. No. Oh, you're talking about these. Yeah, kind of. I would say everything looks orangish, but once I get used to it, it feels a lot blue when I remove it. Yeah, these are really comfortable. It just saves my eyes. It doesn't feel like I have a light shining at my eyes. It's kind of too bright. So I have this so that I don't really feel that strength of light on my eyes. But yeah, if you're a sort of person who works for almost 8 to 9 hours in front of a PC and then also sit in front of a PC for like streams, I think it's better to have some safety to your eyes. So yeah, I kind of feel like everything's a bit orangey, but it's fine. That's what the purpose of the specs. So AI is still running. I hope it didn't really crash till now, which is good. You can see. Not anytime soon. You're trying to activate code. Sorry, Iconic, I didn't really understand it. If you're referring to CUDA, yes. So that I can use that damn whisper tool to, yeah, CUDA, yes. So I have installed that in the other PC, which is running the LLM model, and it's super fast. So I recall I tried to do the same, but it's not working for my whisper. If you're aware of it, then help me out. So yeah, I'm installing this so that I can use my GPU to process my video to text using Whisper, which currently it's running on CPU and it's taking a lot of time. Yeah, Kudiye. Kudiye is Punjabi girl, I guess. Why do I feel like the AI model might cause us issues? Don't know really about Gamma. Well, I know this is not really a perfect AI. It still has a lot to work on. As of now, I just wanted to do a little bit of job so that we can update the prompt. Again, it doesn't really match. It doesn't really remove empty spaces. Well, truth. So, no comments. That's the truth. So, no comments. Why do you have to hurt me, bro? What did I do for you? I think I need to bring something. Yeah. So that if I sense any anger, I need to have another alert in my system so you guys can see. So Iconic, there are other cool stuff you can try. I don't know if you remember it or not. If you like my stream, something's going to happen. How many likes do I have now? If only you're still here, then it's worth a try. Thank you so much, Iconic. Thanks for the like. So now, if you dislike my stream, something else is going to happen. Right? I'm waiting. Why do you dislike my stream? Geez, how can I forget? I think you know about all these. You have been for like what, 2 to 3 years now? I mean, of course, I was on streaming all these years. Why would someone else? Who was the one who disliked my stream? Other than Iconic, who was the one? Other than Iconic, whoever disliked my stream. I'm supposed to get one more like. So other than Iconic, whoever disliked my stream, I hope your Wi-Fi dies. I hope you get power outages. I didn't dislike till yet. Then who's the one who disliked it? Yes, whoever disliked my stream. I curse you that your Wi-Fi. Well, I got a like back, so I'm fine now. How many likes do I have? It's fine. I was just joking. If you. Oh, I don't want it to crash my this setup. Hopefully, it don't. So it's basically analyzing each segment of my audio, transcribe of the video, and then it's going to edit all those clips. I think it's going to take some more time. I'm still doing it. I don't mind it. Can I do? That's not possible. That won't be improving any performance. I was thinking about this. Can I do multi-threading so that it can send multiple chunks to the AI to process it? But then I realized I'm using it on local PC. It doesn't really matter. If I send 5 chunks or like 5 separate requests, it's going to divide each resource to 5 and it's basically going to use the same time anyway. So that's not needed. Well, you can see the clips are being generated. So the good thing is the application didn't really crash till now. It's still processing. Once it's done, once this is done, then I'll try to install this. 104, 106, 108. These many clips. That's the thing. It's trying to get everything. It's possible. Try to running it. Try to run your model on your PC. I'm not trying it to run it. It's running in my other PC. As you know, I'm already streaming from my streaming PC. I didn't really try to install it in my streaming PC because if I had to make some modifications, that would affect my stream. I didn't really install it in my gaming PC or the primary PC which I'm developing because it doesn't have enough storage in the C drive. So that's the reason I requested my friend so that he let me use his PC. It's exactly the same specification, same specs, 3080 i7 13th gen. So the AI is currently running in his machine. The code is running in my machine. Yes. Yeah, so the whisper processing is being done in my machine, which is open AI thing, and the each chunk analyzing or highlight detection. Stop it. Food, water. After that, final year. Final year. Placements, job, marriage, girlfriend. Ooh. Oh, okay, we got the clips. But download. But by the way, download lower model for CUDA because TensorFlow and PyTorch does not detect GPU in mine at least. I didn't really pick anything. I just went into the NVIDIA site and it suggested the only thing which they have and I downloaded it. I didn't really have any others. But yeah, coming to the model, Olama, I picked this third one, which is this. No, I think that's what happened. Yeah, not anytime. No, not anytime soon, bro. So this is the model I'm using. It has 128K context. That's where is it? Gamma 3. Yep. Yeah, this is what I'm using. I didn't really see much difference between this and this. All three are the same context window. I think it's fine. Yeah, single as of now. Few more years. Stability running like that. So let's see. I think it's just dividing all the chunks and then saving it. Let's see how much time does it have. Nothing. Is it still running? Or... So let's say 128. I think there's a problem. There was a problem executing the videos. What would have encoded on VP9? Really? 2 million? Oh, yeah, I understand. But it was working fine before. I don't know why the video transcription failed this time. This was the previous highlights. It's one of the cheapest LLM out there too. I mean, if that's fine, then I can definitely try it. 2 million context. How many chunks would that be? I don't think. But why these highlights didn't work? There should be a reason for this. By the way, 2.02K party. Sometimes some people are feeding their whole code base in one go. Is it that cheap? LLM API. Access. Hey, thanks for the like, whoever did it. Thank you so much. Search for pricing, yeah, Gemini pricing. It's strange, how do you consider an LLM to be cheap? Where is the context for 1 million tokens? Flash, Pro, Flash, Lite. What are these? So let's go with Pro, and it says 1 million token. You said something about 2 million. Is it the one you're talking about, all models? So I think this is the best, probably. Input of 1 million, output token limit. Audio, video, and text. Okay, that's fine. So what is the cost now? So for the Pro, it takes 2.53 million. So there is almost. Hey, I don't think that's cheap, man. Or do you want me to try this free version? Oh, we'll come back off. Okay, we'll come back meeting. Okay. Even product frame size is not set. No, something went wrong. Something definitely went wrong. This is my input MKV. It's of 9 GB. Oh, what did I close? Okay, so I would say in the AI, if it's greater than 8, that's when I try to find a highlight. I would only give this strong audience engagement. Necessary. So after this, I'm going to restart my PC and then try to do the same whisper thing again so that it can use the damn CUDA. I didn't really understand. When I tried with the WebM, it was able to generate the videos. Let me ask ChatGPT. FFM, I think it's it's having issues. I have what? I'm having issues. Close it, damn it. Dude, why? It's having... Okay, I think that's done. No. Okay, it's done. Let me type, please. FFmpeg is typing issues. The input is in MKV. Oh. Out of all applications, definitely this Firefox had to crash. Oh. I think it's not a good idea to do certain things while things are installing. I'll just wait. Lol, my laptop is on airplane mode. And while you're trying to run a video. My video is of 10 GB. Of course, I can share you a link so that you can download it in the meantime while I'm sleeping, if you really want to try. Why would the application cost, man? Closing everything which is not needed. I gotta fix this, man. I have no idea why this could fail. Oh, yeah. All the best. All the best on this. I have a script. I don't know where it's running from. Any ideas? Yeah, this is the one. Clone font tab L. Okay. Problem here. Command not found. If I run the same PC again, what will happen? Yeah, do whatever you have to do, man. Just give me CUDA. Is it still running? What? I can fix that later. So okay, I would save it somewhere. So I would definitely like to make a restart of my PC just to see if the NVIDIA CUDA drivers are installed. Never mind, the stream will still stay up. I got 20 more minutes. After that, I'll go to sleep. But until then, I would like to give this a try. So brace with me for a few minutes. It's restarting. It might take some time. Why don't you guys see the gigabyte logo? It's loading. It's loading Windows. You should be seeing it now at least. Yep. I hope there is no Windows update. That could be the worst. Okay. I'll fire up the bot so that I can open the chat. I'll fire up the voice meter so that you can hear what's happening in the streaming PC. Voice attack, that needs to stay there. So ChatGPT, stay here. That's a fake like, so it's more of an indication that things are working fine. Come on, man, load it up. I have installed NVIDIA CUDA drivers to run Whisper Python in using GPU. NVIDIA SMI. CMD, no. Come on, damn it. Come on, do it. Okay, the moment it restarts, it generally takes some time. Come on, damn it. You know what, let's see what is taking this much time. Some application is taking too much resources. You have to stay alive. Close it. Okay, open it up. Come on, I have something. So, see, all I need to do is device CUDA. If this works fine, then that'll be fine. Yeah, I know opening VS Code. I will have to see now. I tried to enable CUDA TensorFlow connectivity, but always failed. I don't think I'm using TensorFlow. I'm just using the basic Whisper, and it should be working fine. I don't know how to enable this. Base device CUDA. I hope this works. I'm running out of patience. Come on, damn it. What is it taking so much time? This is 0, network is 0, CPU is 0. Oh, my. Okay, I take the blame. See, if I get that error stating that it's not using a GPU, then that didn't really work. I hope it uses this GPU. I don't think it's still using CPU, I'm sure of it. Oh, attempting to describe an object on CUDA device, but touch tim is false. It's running on CPU only. Please use touch load. Is this the one you're referring to? TensorFlow. Well, I gotta see that. Okay. But torch, do I have to definitely see this? Oh, yeah, I can try this. CLS. What is this? Python temp.py. Touch not compatible. Compiled with CUDA enabled. What the hell is that? Got it as the install Python touch. Okay. I don't even know what are these, but definitely try. If you're not sure about what code, just tell me. I can help you find it. What do you mean? Yeah, just remove it. Yeah. Yes. I don't know my CUDA version. How can I see that? Just feed it to ChatGPT. Tell it to download that particular thing. Hopefully, it does give me something. Perfect. You've got a beast. Oh, thank you so much. So this is the version now. Okay. It's 3 GB. I don't have that much storage, bro. Oh, I'm probably running out of storage. Yeah, I know about it. I don't know what tool to uninstall now. I already uninstalled a lot of stuff. But let's see. Uninstalling these, what should I remove now? I don't really have anything running. Videos, nothing saved. Do I need to buy another SSD for this now? You don't have the dedicated disk for code? Well, I do have it, but Python things are being installed inside the damn C. I didn't really move it to another drive because I generally work with Linux. I have VMware. All the programming stuff will be done inside this Linux. I only had Python running outside because of env issues, and I don't really want to complicate things for this AI project. I just wanted to test it. But then Olama comes in. That took some space. I only had 256 GB, and that hard disk was too old, 2018 old. Temp files is what? This one? Recycle bin? Yeah, thank you so much. Delete it. I don't know these. This can definitely be deleted. I got 9 GB, which is a cool thing. I do have another SSD. So this one's an SSD, this one's an SSD, this one's a hard drive, and this one is 2 TB SSD. So I think at some point in future, I'm going to turn this into a C drive. But yeah, you're fine. The coding stuff is in the separate hard disk. You can see this. These are all my coding projects. So they are inside another hard disk. But again, all the compilers, Go compiler, Python compiler, you can see GCC, they're all installed in the C drive. They wouldn't take that much space. They just, for programming alone, they shouldn't take that much space. I don't know what are these. Hello, what is this? Looks like I added something here, like 1:29 a.m. No idea. Minjao, this is also for Go. Intel, I don't want to mess with those. AI, I don't even know these. Oh, this one's that, so delete it. How do I have any storage now? Okay, 20 GB, and I can see, oh, it's still doing it. Installed apps only installed in local C. Where is it? Yep. I think I do need DaVinci Resolve. If not, something didn't work out, it's better to use it. Damn, it's 3 a.m. Almost need to go. Yep. Thanks for sticking up till now. The guy with code. So I'm going to share a Discord link if you're really interested for my input thing. Just say yes or no, and I'll share you the link. I would not be uploading it anywhere. You can just directly download it from my PC. So there's no efforts for me. It's up to you. Again, it's 9 GB, so for 20 Mbps download, it might take you all day. So it's up to you. But deep down, I want you to try it. Let's see. I don't know where is all the storage. The applications are not really taking that much space. Feeling so sleepy. I'm closing down VMware. Let's see. So let me install the version which is it's trying to suggest. Please don't run any scripts. Thank you. Okay, let it install now. It should also take another 3 GB space, I guess. Looking for indexes. I think it found it perfectly fine. I want to execute it before going to sleep. I want to use Whisper using GPU, basically to save some time while I'm running this. Tomorrow I might not. Do you want me to stream gaming or this stuff? This stuff, man, gaming. So I would definitely stream tomorrow. I'm not really sure about timings, but it will be morning for me, night for you, India. So you gotta see. If I wake up early, but I'm probably sleeping too late today, so I might not really wake up early. But it's fine. I can stream from 11 a.m. to like 1 to 2 p.m. So it's cool. I think you guys should be able to join it. No problem. Let's see. How long does it take? Estimated 13 minutes. Oh, it's extracting each and every chunk of the file. Oh, it's still installing Torch. Next, there is Torch Vision, Torch Audio, index URL. So Iconic, what's up? What are I never knew. Sorry, I never knew you were interested in programming. I mean, it's a good thing, but I never knew. Didn't we talk anything about programming before? Maybe I kind of forget. I got this new phone for playing games. It has 1% battery, so keeping charging it right now so that it won't turn off. Yep, it's charging. I really thought the previous code would have been working fine. I'm a CSE student. Of course, I have chosen it for programming. I don't recall we talking about it. That's the point. I always thought you know a lot about me and I know a lot about you. For some reason, I didn't think you were interested in programming. Did we ever discuss about programming before? Or maybe I just dump, plain forget. It's true that I never really stream programming in my streams. It's usually gaming stuff. Is it the main reason? Oh, I loved programming. That's the reason I also took CSE. Computers, you know. I'm too fond of electronics. Anyways, are you aware of any good mics so that I can attach it here? No. I can hear my fans spinning out loud. Nope, but I introduce you to semaphores and mutex. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, semaphore and mutex. Yeah, we were dealing with the JavaScript if conditions. Yes. I was building what? A like counter, I think, because it was missing some few likes. I didn't really recall the perfect problem, but yeah, semaphores and mutex. Those words. Semaphore is nothing but just a check variable where if that's true, that's when we proceed with the code. Mutex, I actually kind of forgot what was it. Oh, thanks for the like, whoever did it. Show my face. Show my face. Oh, I forgot to turn this thing on. Well, my bad. Yeah. 1 second. Show my face. Show my face. It still didn't really turn on. 1 second. Show my face. Why? The first time somehow it takes a little bit more time. Okay, thanks for the like, whoever did it. Thank you so much. Back to gaming. By the way, you might need it as you will be planning with or playing with threads now because of shared memory. I mean, this is Python for this project, not at all. For Golang, it has its garbage character. I'm not really worried about it. Unless by default it's going to be thread safe in Golang. I don't think we can do that unless we manually handle it. I didn't really think in my entire life I wrote that complicated code unless I'm using C++, which I'm supposed to do it. But yeah, other than that, I don't think I ever had any issue with memory. So as you said, you worked a lot with low level languages. You might be aware of those. Okay. This seems interesting now. Not garbage collector for critical sections, but okay. Oh. Now you might know how stupid I am. I didn't really go much deep into low level languages. My only low level was Java and Go. I didn't really go any other, and I didn't really try even other languages. Once I got into a job, whatever the language they use, that's the only language I had. And I didn't really have much time to explore new things. Whenever I wanted to do those things fast, so I didn't really explore any new languages. This is the first time I did, and I really loved it, which is Golang, which was the best decision instead of going for Rust or some other language, because I'm not saying the Rust or other language is bad. It's just they take too much time to learn, and that's what the time was not what I had. I had little time to learn new things and then work with it. Yeah. Why am I monitoring my voice? Is it still installing the main one? Disk space. Why is anti-malware is running this much? Exactly. And I'm sort of person who learns when I try to build something meaningful. If I just learn it for the sake of learning, after a month of two, I would forget what I learned. Just like I learned semaphores because I worked with it during the JavaScript era, if you remember it. Of course, I know the concept of semaphore, but I didn't know it's called as semaphore. So as I was working with it, I had it in my brain, but I didn't work with memory that deep, so that's why I don't know what it meant. I forgot. It was something. I heard it, but I forgot. People are saying my voice is breaking a little bit, but the microphone graph stays up all the time when I speak, so I expected that to stay that as well. If this is bad, I can buy a decent mic which could stay right here so that it would look like as if I'm a professional streamer. By the way, semaphore is M? What do you mean M? Can be more than just a flag. Okay. Let me see. I think that was. I am still in the meeting, no problem. Board. I understand some meetings are really slow. Semaphore. My voice is completely gone. Yeah, my PC is really struggling. Oh, what? This is not what this was not the definition I saw before. Multiple processing someday. Iconic. Someday, if I had to do anything this low level, then I would definitely live stream it. Hope you are on that stream so that you can help me what I'm trying to do. Again, these looks like these are concepts of C. Signal. I'm not even sure about this. Why don't you just do some open source for Linux? I feel like you're completely capable of it. I never used C. The only thing I did was in my undergrad first year. I enjoyed it, but I didn't really go much deep inside. Right after that, I jumped into Node.js because I wanted to have a server for, I think, for gaming server. And then right after that, I went into like file hosting, a little bit of front end using EJS. You use NumPy? I don't, not in personal life or at work, but I'm not really installing NumPy here. Again, I have no shame to admit this is my first AI based project which I'm trying to work on. I learned about LangChain, I learned about AI not being able to send perfect JSONs as a response. That's the other thing. I learned how to install LLMs in my local machines. Yeah, this is the first time I'm doing things. Yeah. OneDrive is constantly being used because of this damn system. I don't know why. See, it's 100%. If only this guy lets go of my drive, then only Python could take it up and speed up the process. I think it's installing NumPy here, but I never really used it manually myself. These are a lot of Python stuff in here. NumPy. Isn't NumPy written in C? Plus, what is this for? For scientific computing for Python. What do you mean scientific computing? Why would... How much RAM do you have? I think it's 16. I don't recall. I upgraded it. 32, yeah. 32. 32-bit DDR4 3000 with XMP profile 1. I think that looks completed. Could not install package. You won't sleep? Yeah, I am looking. I was almost going to sleep, but there is an error. What are these? You got cafe to... I don't... Any idea what is this? I don't even know what are these. Okay, let's just try getting this. If this works fine, then I will not worry about it. It's fine. Let's see. Oh no. All I want is to just... I wanted to use the AI. Looks like it's doing it. You are using torch.load with waits only for the true default value, which is using the default whatever this is. Is it using GPU or CPU? I think it's using CPU. Python randomly gives memory allocated to... Okay, so basically NumPy works around vectors and matrices. Okay, okay. Python randomly gives memory allocated to variables, but C stores them continuous manner so that it's fast to access. Hey, isn't it using GPU now? So this is my last test before I go to sleep. I want to calculate how long this takes. I hope it's a bit faster. It previously took 45 minutes to convert a 3 hours video using CPU. I hope it does it. So now let's read this. In future, the default value for waits only will be flipped to true. The limits the function that could be executed during unpicking. Arbitrary objects will no longer be allowed in the loaded via mode unless they are explicitly allowed by the user. Okay. We recommend you starting setting wait only to true for any use case where you don't have full control on the loaded file. I didn't really understand anything. Yeah, finally, I'm so happy that it's using the damn GPU. I'm not sure how long this would take, so imagine it took 45 minutes before. How long will it take to do it in using GPU? I can wait for 20 minutes. More than that, it would be too late for me. But at least I'm happy that everything worked out fine except FFmpeg. It had some issues where the clips which it generated, they didn't make any sense. It was blank videos. Hopefully, I finally made it to work with GPU, even though there is a stupid error. Delete me, whatever that was. Finally, I'm using my PC for something other than gaming at its full potential. Hello, hey, what's your name? I remember you. How is your day or night? I'll explain it to you everything. Is your name Rahul? I think it's your name is Rahul. Anyway, show my face. Yes, Rahul. I remember you. Celebrate. Okay, coming to the day, it's Friday, so the work was kind of upsetting actually. But at the end, I got it under control, so everything's fine. After that, we cooked some dinner, ate it, and started the stream. So if you recall, I'm trying to build that AI trimmer or editor or clipper, whatever it is. So finally, between the sound of celebration, sound not coming, probably because of this. But I was able to hear it. There is no way you guys won't be able to hear it. If I was able to hear it, you should be able to hear it. Celebrate. Oh yeah, looks like it. Oh, my bad. My bad. Let me test one more time. Celebrate. Idea. Let's try this. What are the other things which I have? Party, restaurant. I was able to hear it. I thought you should be able to hear it as well. Let me see. Where is my names? I think there should be something called desktop mic or something which I forgot to turn it on, maybe. Let me try it now. One last time. Celebrate. You guys were right. For some reason, the audio which I am listening to, is supposed to be sending back to the Elgato, but that's the problem I'm seeing. It's been like that for 2 to 3 days, and I couldn't fix it. Everything software-wise, it shows as if the sound is being passed to my streaming PC, but that's not the case. I can see the video of my gaming PC, but there is no sound. So technically, whatever the thing I'm saying right now should be, if I set A2, which means Elgato HD60, that means the software-wise at least, all the sound which you're seeing, which is changing here, that is being sent to the Elgato. But on the capture side, I don't see any graph at all. So that's one issue I have. I didn't really care about it that much because it was not that of priority. I'm not really streaming any gaming content anyways. Is it done? Dude, it was done in less than 5 minutes. I forgot. I thought it was. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I thought it's super fast. I thought previously it was taking damn 45 minutes, but now it only took less than 4 to 5 minutes. 5 times faster, yeah. Well, now the AI, which is running in my other friend's PC, that's processing the highlights. I don't know how this would work now. It's still happening on the other PC, so it might take some time. This shouldn't take that long. It was also done in like what? It's almost done, 50%. So it's fine. In the meantime, let me try to fix the stupid audio thing. What are the other options I have? Speaker, this. No. If they want me to set up another audio, which I can definitely set it up. I'm just trying to work on my streaming PC in the meantime, just to see is there any way I can fix this thing. Oh, I have another option. Let me try this. I don't think I have that setup. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, that thing is powered on, so probably it should show another option. Forward. Siddhan, hey, how is it going? I'm back. Good news. You recall in the previous time when we ran the script, it took what 45 minutes for the whisper to transcribe the video into text. Guess how much time it took on GPU? You already have a hint. I didn't really see it, but yeah, I guess it. It was. I'm so satisfied. I'll sleep peacefully. I made a lot of progress in this stream, so yeah, I deserve a happy sleep. Stream is lagging for me. There's nothing I'm doing. I'm already sending a very low bitrate. I don't know what's happening. There are 12 missed frames in the entire 3 hours, 11 minute stream. So probably my encoder lagged or something. I don't know. Okay, the clips are being generated. I'm not sure the clips will be any. I don't think the clips is working fine. There is some problem with the clip generation, but I think I can work with this. For me, for you as well. I have no idea. Is it lagging? I think my voice is lagging, not the video. Well, looks like there is some debugging things need to be done. Celebrate. I was able to listen to the audio. Okay. 1 second. I was able to listen to the audio. So to set it up. Where is it? Put PC sound. I don't know. This was not the original fix I had in my mind, but if it works, it works. Celebrate. I'm not really having any. So this is the thing. OBS would tell me if it has any issues. What? I didn't understand. 144. Dara 144. Is that an inside joke? Which, yep, it's working. Yeah, it's working. The audio, I had a duct tape fix. What's wrong with highlight?
Siddhant OTA says, voice died.
Voice died. Mine? This is the output. This is the one I worked on. This is the one I told it to transfer. Input mkv. These are the highlights. This is the input .mkv. Okay. Does it have any save? Something's wrong. I mean, the highlights were somehow working fine. It's just strange.
Siddhant OTA says, cannot hear you Master Blaster blazing 10 dull car.
Cannot hear me? What do you mean? I have my mic right here. I can see the graph right there. Can you guys hear me? I can try reloading. What? Edit. Man, I definitely need some better
Says,
mic.
test.
Is the testing working? I have no idea.
Siddhant OTA says,
Video.
we see you move mouth.
Again, this thing is not playing. How about this? If this thing is playing, which it did previously, I hope it does it now as well. Why was it giving me this? I didn't understand. After this, it's gone again. So I don't. But you can see it's 1 KB. I'm totally unable to understand what is the problem here. Let's see what is the file path I gave. So not this one, this one. Input mkv. That means it should be taking this input, right? And this input is this. What is it? He's thinking, is he thinking we can hear him? You can't hear me? Guys, it should, there is no way you guys can't hear me. I can see my graph. I can, no, you can? Hello, hello, hello. There is no way one can hear me and the other can't. Why would you have to reload anyways? This is index. Oh, this is really strange. This is the video I wanted to convert, but it's like there is something I'm missing. This is the result. Let's see what other result I have. Result. Refresh. Oh, you're talking to him. I don't understand what's the problem. Let me do this. I'm going to delete all these videos. All right, and I'm going to remove this as well. WebAmp. Oh, this is AI node. This is AI node. Okay, I'm going to remove it for now and keep it somewhere in the pictures. And then there is only one input now. There is no way it can use another. By the way, you only had 3 videos more than 1 KB. Yeah, I have no idea. And the videos which it generated are not even valid videos. So you know what? I'm going to just generate like highlights and how can I limit to like less than 3? I know another way. Count equals to 0. Count plus plus. I don't know if it will work. If not, this should work. Okay. If count count is less than 5 class, else. Oh yeah, I think we can like if count is greater than 5. How can I break it? Break? Will this break all these things or break and return? I don't know. I think return is fine. I'm sure return would not mess with these things. Okay, let's exit. This is the last test, guys. Let me change the input as well, just for the file name. main.mkv. That's the file. I can make sure of it. I am opening main.file. You can see I'm wearing a red and blue checks t-shirt. So input dot. Oh, this. I understand the problem. It was not with the code. It was I was transcribing the wrong video. All right, people, my bad. Video path. Oh, this is the problem. This is the problem. This is the problem. Video path. Okay, this should be instead of this. Let's use. Okay, people, my bad. It's main. Yeah. I always have an inner, confidence that something is wrong, but it's not that bad. So now everything is fine. So there should only be one video path so that we don't face this issue one more time. You guys are ready? Let's ready, set, CLS. Man, I'm going to put a timer now. 1, 2, 3. I think this might take a little bit longer then. So main dot, is there any input? There is no input, so everything needs to be done in that. Is there anything you want me to do? I think that's it. In the transcript, it's only taking result. I've installed CUDA and everything, so what? Something was wrong from my side. Only really sorry, cute people. Yes, video path was passed model. Yeah, right here. So previously I was converting the main video as well as in the bottom of the line I was converting other video. So sorry, not the other video. It's trying to edit the first video. So same for 2 to 3 hours more. You don't want me to sleep though? Python AI.py. I'm running it. Pressing save. Oh, sorry, start. I'm sure in 4 minutes this is going to be done. All right, yeah, let's see. Does something messed up? What is it? It's main.mkv.
Siddhant OTA says, very fast.
Hey. It crashed. Oh yeah, this time 30. Yeah. Let's call it like 5 seconds. Now we can hear. Wait a minute, you guys were not able to hear the speak command? Really? Until now? Oh, that's messed up, man. Why didn't you guys tell me? I thought you guys would be able to
Siddhant
hear
OTA
it.
says, I can hear speak command too.
You were supposed to hear it. You guys didn't really hear any sound till now? Oh, that's too bad. Sorry, sorry from my side. I should have made. So the problem is the voice meter. Something is going on. It's not really working as expected. So I'll keep it here. I can see the VRAM is being used at the max.
Siddhant OTA says, it's for the first time I'm hearing this. It's cool though.
Well, that's how it's supposed to work. None were actually telling it me that, okay, we can't see anything or we can't hear anything. Again, there's nothing I have specifically changed. It's the voice meter is supposed to send video and audio to my Elgato. Trust me, I tried to debug it a lot of times, but it's not working. So I just gave up. So you guys didn't really hear any respect sound or any celebrate sound till now then. Anyway, this is how respect sounds. Respect.
Siddhant OTA says, yeah, now we can hear these sounds too.
I think it's a pretty...
So too iconic says, VID liking / disliking does not enabled.
Oh, it's still enabled. It's still. I don't know if you... Let me try it. It should work fine. So when you were liking and disliking, no one was able to hear the sound? Man, that's a bummer. I thought it would... That's the thing, Siddharth. Were you not aware of this? Oh my... This was... I feel so stupid right now. I built such a good thing and no one was able to hear the sound. Yeah, that's the fun part. The sound and me dancing to it. I don't know, I'm smiling, but I'm so disappointed. It's like trying to work hard and then you guys were not able to see it. Yet you're still happy, but imagine if you would see it for the first time. But okay, I always monitor the graphs on my screen, but this one is too bad. You don't know, you know the issues now. So yeah, what are the other commands? Face commands. Face commands won't make any difference. Spider-Man has its own sound. Oh, the kiss. I think the kiss sound. I think you guys were able to hear it because I was playing it in a separate entity. Thanks. I think I think I can ignore the kiss sounds by default. You might be able to hear it twice, which shouldn't be the case. I'm 1 second. That's fixed. Okay, let's try it one more time. You guys can try it now. God still hates the... Exactly. I know you remember those. I definitely know you remember those. Oh, this is the stupid problem. Okay, let me turn on the audio one. I forgot to... I disabled the audio on one side and forgot to turn on the other side. Okay, now it should be fine. Oh man, the sound is so annoying. No, I accidentally removed the sound for the one thing and then now it should be working fine. Try it. Iconic, and there are a few others who absolutely hated it. Man, it's so annoying. It's a different kind of sound. What happens if it doesn't return any clips? Oh, I'm so sad now. People whoever joined yesterday, day before yesterday, they were not able to hear anything. It's fine. Whatever happens is happened. Next time I'll focus on the damn graph.
Siddhant OTA says, yes, sadly no.
You got a clip which has 8, 7. I think this LLM is taking a lot of time. I think it's fine. It's for each request, it's taking a second, which is fine. I don't really care about it because I'm going to run it anyways while I'm at work or something.
Siddhant ODA says, are we done this app now or what?
Let's see. No idea. I think it would, I'm sure it would generate clips fine now, but I still have to adjust the prompt or some Python logic so that it returns a valid conversation instead of just some mixing up clips. But it's fine. I just wanted to identify the highlighted clips and trim them out so that I can just edit manually.
Siddhant ODA says, OGGHGA means okay.
Ugachiga, what? Is it like that in Odia? Man, I still can't forget that you guys were not able to hear the audio. I'll try to fix that Elgato thing. I'll just unplug everything and plug it back to see what exactly is the problem. Elgato should definitely get the audio. If not, Dinkachika, Okachika, okay. I had a friend of mine, Arvind. He understands Odia. Oh, there is a clip which is 8. Come on. Does it take 15 minutes? Not exactly sure. I don't really know their exact hometown, but yeah, he's from there. I can see some temperatures. They are rising. There is actually nice, but I didn't really fix it. 1 second, let me see. There was actually a nice command, but it's not completely done yet. Can you try it once? Siddhant? Try pressing exclamation nice. Do it. I am excited. Not noise, nice. Yep.
Nice.
That was the idea. I tried to add a GIF, but I couldn't find a perfect GIF for it. So as of now, it's nothing. But yeah, that's nice. I'm really sad that you guys weren't able to hear the audio. You can try dumb, D-U-M-B. Yeah, that's the thing. It's still work in progress. Again, I can edit these and add new ones without changing my code. I don't have to build. Oh, dump is still in progress. Media. This media dude is silently enjoying all the stream stuff, but not even sending a single message. Show my face. What's up, media? Are you enjoying my stream? If you're having fun, that's all I want. Have fun. So yeah, like and dislike would have its own audio. The celebrate thing would have its own audio. Respect thing will also do the same. Yeah, I can come up with. Were you guys able to hear it? The kiss sound? Bro, Iconic truly hates it. There was someone else who hated it even more than Iconic. I added it because it's fun. I added it because it's fun. What are the other things I had in my previous streams? Iconic, this kiss thing. There was the same for super chats, etc. So he might be at home. His parents were. It's okay. Siddhant, relax. Too often is something. Okay. FFmpeg is still running. Oh, it's done. It only gave 5 clips in the entire. Let's see. I don't understand why that was a highlight, but let's see. Were you able to hear what's happening? Why are you guys not being able to hear it? So all this time you guys are not able to. Oh, you know what? It generated some clips, but I understand why does it. I understand why did it take it as a highlight. It felt as if I'm explaining. They can't hear the video though. Yeah, I need to fix that audio. Man, my audio is so trash. How are you guys able to hear me? Is it because I can't stand it at all? Where did it got the ChatGPT clip? Oh, it could have generated this clip. I don't know. So this clip, what does it have? I don't. These are not really the clips I was looking for. I was talking a lot more in the thumbnail, but that was not really picked up at all. But I think it can be upgraded. I think it can be worked fine. So how long did it take? Less than 10 minutes. It's absolutely fine. We can work with it. All right, people. I'm feeling super tired. So to-dos. I need to fix the sound. It's unacceptable. It's not at all acceptable. I have to do something. I don't really know what the issue is. I'm sending the sound, but it's not being received at all. I'll unplug all the extra adapters I have for each PC and only connect the Elgato so that I can make sure that it works fine. And I'll give the microphone a thought. Nice. So I will also give my microphone. If that's what I sound, I think it's better to invest in a few. I mean, people are watching, so nice. I'll add the GIF. I think that's a good idea. But I can do that in the live streams as well, so that you can suggest what you guys feel. So all those after the AI edit, that's the main priority. As I already laid out the entire bit. By the way, new room. Yeah, new place actually. I actually showed my room. I'll do that tomorrow again if you can join. My voice is totally gone. So I streamed about 3 hours 30 minutes. But thank you so much, people. Because of your help, I have managed to come this far. That's a good thing. I will deal with it tomorrow. That's a new bed as well. Yeah, it's entirely new house. Iconic, not my house. It's new room. If you guys are fine, okay. Can you add Qt? No one would use it anyways. Blocks. Yeah, you can suggest whatever the commands you want. I can stitch it up. No worries. So, all right, people. Peace out. I'm really super sleepy. If I stay up 1 more hour, then I would be able to go to sleep. My sleep issues. So I think that's a good wrap then for today.
Siddhant OTA says, good night cutie.
Good night, Iconic. Sorry, good morning, Siddhant, Iconic. I don't know if media is still here, but yeah, I hope it's starting.
So too Iconic says, GNM8.
See you tonight for you or tomorrow for me.